Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you having this kind of pimple? Are you one of those people that can sleep at night only to wake up in the morning and see a very huge pimple on their face? Are you one of those people? Worry no more, because in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use toothpaste to treat such problem. If you're one of those people that would go to bed at night only to wake up in the morning and you will see like 2 to 3 pimples, huge pimples on your face, okay, this video got you. Yes, this video got you. Only watch till the end so you get all the information you will need. Okay, so let's get right into it.
So here is how you can prepare the treatment. The first thing you have to do is to get your clean plate. Go ahead and get one lemon. This lemon is so strong, so I'll go ahead and hit it on the ground to make it soft. Hitting it on the ground will soften it so that when I cut it, it will be easy for me to squeeze out the juice. So now I'll go ahead and cut it and extract the juice. If you don't have lemon, the substitute for lemon is apple cider vinegar. So if you don't have lemon, you can use apple cider vinegar. It works also, okay? So we are using lemon because lemon has a very great skin benefits. It helps to prevent wrinkles. It helps to brighten the skin. It has an antioxidant properties. Lemon helps to unclog the pores. There are a lot of skin benefits of lemon. It also helps to lighten acne. Okay, guys. So go ahead and squeeze in some amount of it into the plate. After that, you take about 2 tablespoons of it and add it into another plate. The main purpose why I prefer using lemon is because lemon contains citric acid, and this citric acid helps to disinfect, reduces blemished acne skin. Like, it helps to reduce blemished acne skin. It helps a lot. Also, I am using citric acid because it also helps to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin and also helps the skin to heal from acne scars. So the next thing I have to add is toothpaste. I'm using Colgate toothpaste. Yes, I think you can use any other toothpaste, but for some reason I've tried Colgate toothpaste many times. It works better than other toothpaste. Okay, so if you have Colgate toothpaste, why not use Colgate toothpaste? So we are using toothpaste because it helps to dry out pimples, as it contains alcohol, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide, and essential oils that helps to treat acne and fight infections. So toothpaste helps when it comes to treating pimples. Okay, so go ahead and mix it very well. Mix properly until they mix together. So guys, as I was saying, using this treatment on your skin helps a lot. So this is what we have after mixing it. Now we'll go ahead and add the next ingredient, which is tea tree oil. So add 3 drops of tea tree oil into it. We are using tea tree oil because it has both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which makes it a good choice for treating acne-prone skin. So tea tree oil helps a lot when it comes to treating acne and pimples, but make sure you don't apply it directly on the skin. If you do so, it's going to burn your skin, okay? Always make sure you mix it into something, like mix it into something to help dilute it. So after mixing it, guys, this is what we have. I'll go ahead and show you how you can use this.
So here I have the treatment with me. Look at it, I have it with me. How do you make use of this treatment? So the thing is that if you have a lot of it, a lot of acne or pimples on your face, don't go ahead and rub it on your face, because if you do, my sister, your face would be on fire. Yes. So don't rub it on your, unless you're using a Colgate toothpaste that doesn't contain mint. The one I used for this one is a mint one, so you can imagine applying it all over your face. Your face will catch fire. Yes. So if you're not using the one that Colgate toothpaste that has no mint, then you can apply it all over the face. But if you're using the one that contains mint, please do not try that. Yes, do not try that, because I won't be held responsible. Okay, so how do you use this one? The easiest way to use this one is to go ahead and get a cotton bud, dip it into the treatment, then use it to place on those areas you have. If you have it here, just use it to place it on the mouth, on the tip of the acne or pimples. Okay, just like this. This is like spot corrector. Okay, just do it this way. Place it on the places you have it. It's not something you will rub all over your face. No, just use cotton bud and place it on the places you have the acne or pimples, and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your face and you are good. Do this 3 times in a week and you will see those pimples and acne drying up. You will see them drying up. Okay, so that is it. This is how you can use toothpaste to treat acne and the pimples on the face. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.